I'm going to start from the cantilever. So that's a light. No, that is just a junction box there. It's linked with a switch. That's a switch on the ground floor. So that there's a hallway here. So there's a switch there. It's linked with it. So that's the cantilever. It goes all the way around up to there's another one there. It ends there, and then there's from the plan. Uh, um, there is that 6 lights here, but with the when we divide and when we as in putting down the lighting point, we wouldn't be able to get the 6 lights. That's 3 here and then 3 here. So we have to add one to it, making 4 on each side. So 4 on this side and then 4 on that side. And then from the plan, meaning the architect, he couldn't figure out this particular beam. It's not a hidden beam, so this beam is in the it's almost like in the center. So this is going to cause obstruction to the ceiling fan, so we wouldn't be able to position the ceiling fan around this area. So this is what we've done here. So let's say this one section of the room, so that's the ceiling fan. So we've divided it into 2, and that's the center there. So that's the ceiling fan here, and then this side too, we have divided the place or the space into 2, and we have our ceiling fan point right there as well. And then we've positioned an air conditioner power point here, and then right here we have our switch arrangement here. So we have our switch here, we have our air conditioner switch here, we have one circuit that is going all the way up to the DB area, and that's for the socket outlet. And also we have this provision for a TV outlet right there. And so there's the air conditioner circuit pipe going all the way up to the DB area, and this is the this pipe going to the that's the power point. And then we have this a hallway. So from this side, there's a hallway from that up through here to this side. So that's 3 lights on each bay. So this actually this bay 1. So this bay 1 got 3 lights, the same thing. Bay 2, 3 light, and then bay 3, that's the same idea. That's 3 lights here as well. And then so this another hallway here. So let me go and start from this side. There's another hallway here. There's going to be a hallway here, and there's going to be a staircase here. So there's a hallway. So that's a light 1, 2, and then 3, and then it's linked to this side. So there's another hallway. So it continues from here. So there's 1 light, 2, 3. And then that's another part of the hallway. So that's also 1, 2, and 3. And then let me continue from here. Okay, so this the other from the 3D design that you sent to me. by the architect. Okay, so there's another, let's say, a room, a bedroom, or something of so it's the same idea, the same plan. That's 6 lights and 1 ceiling fan here, but it's the same thing. So we couldn't go with a 6 light. We have 8 lights here as well, and then 2 ceiling fans. The same thing. That's this particular heavy beam here in almost the center of the space, so we wouldn't be able to position a ceiling fan right there that's in the center of that space. So we have to go that route. That's 4 lights on the left side, 4 lights on the right side, making it 8, then 2 ceiling fans in that space. And then here we have our circuit pipes. Okay, so here we have that the socket outlets here, and then this the PVC pipe going to the DB area. So this one will go all the way up. The DB is up there, and then there's the same procedure. So the same thing. There's the air conditioner. That's the power point there. There's a power point for the air conditioner, and then from here the AC switch is right here, and then there's the pipe for the circuits. It goes all the way through here, up here, and to the end. Okay, and so I'm through with this space as well. And then let me go to this side. Okay, so basically this side is going to be that the washroom. Yeah, that's the washroom for the swimming pool. The washroom for the swimming pool. So you have to first enter through here. So that's 2 lights here, and then there's actually the main washroom. That's also 2 sets of ceiling lights right there. And then we have this here. We have a switch here. So when you are there's a door here. There is a door here, and so when you are entering, you use this to turn on the lights here. And also when you are entering here, there's another door to this washroom. So that's a light switch here as well that will turn on this light here as well. And then this is the plan for the swimming pool. Okay, so the thing is we need some kind of circuits here. So we're going to arrange that 5 pipes. We are doing it that's 3-phase, and then an earth conductor. So that's 5 PVC pipes going through here. We will come through here, then it will climb this step up or down, and then it will go up there where the distribution board is. And then this what we've done. So basically what this design is saying is that beneath this there is that's the engine room, where maybe probably that would be the engine room of the that's the swimming pool. Okay, so here we've done this light. So there's a switch here that will come all the way to this pool. That's the light here. And then there is another thing. Okay, so here there is some kind of pre-installation here. So clearly there's a pipe, but actually I think it's blocked. So there's the pre-installation thing, and then I'll go to down there in a few minutes. Okay, so we've brought the lights connection here, so it's left with that of the pump and other stuff. So we're going to drop that that circuit there, or we're going to bring a three-phase power there, then um, it will continue to the engine room of the swimming pool. So, like I was saying, this is the main engine room of the swimming pool. So, when they were initially casting the concrete here, so that's two white pipes there, that's purposely for electrical, but I don't know how they did it, but it's just one going up there, and the other one, I don't know where that pipe is. Probably it's buried in the concrete or something, and so this where the pump and everything. So when we drop our three-phase system or three-phase circuit there, we will bring it up, we will bring it through the floor to this side, or probably through the wall to this side. So that's the idea there.